Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one is all about a tower of 5p coins. So what we've got here is we've got a 5p coin as a thickness of 1.6 millimeters. So by the thickness, it just means this distance here, from the front to the back of the coin. Now it's obviously not very thick at all, really. It's actually quite thin, but you don't say a thinness of 1.6 millimeters, you say a thickness of 1.6 millimeters. So that's what we're dealing with. Now it says she makes a tower of 5p coins worth 90p. What is the height of the coins in centimetres? Well, the first thing we've got to do is actually figure out how many coins which we're actually using, because it doesn't say how many coins she's using. So that's what we're going to work out. So how many 5s go into 90? Well, 5s go into 90. 5 into 9 goes once, that's 5, with 4 left over. Carry the 4 to make 40, and 5 into 40 goes 8 times. So she must actually be using 18 coins. Now that we know she's using 18 coins, we can work out the height of the tower, because it's going to be 18 times by this 1.6, because every coin is worth 1.6 millimeters. She's got 18 of them. So that's 18 lots of 1.6. Now the easiest thing to do is to take this decimal point out and do 18 lots of 16, and then we can put the decimal point back in a minute. So 6 lots of 8 is 48, put the 8 in, carry the 4. 6 ones are 6 plus the 4 is 10, put the 0 in, carry the 1. But because we've run out along the top there, we've done 6 ones, that 1 can just go straight in, so it's 108. Now on the second line, we're doing everything times by this 1 here, but this 1 doesn't mean 1, it means 10, because it's in the tens column. So put the magic 0 in, 1 lot of 8 is 8, and 1 lot of 1 is 1, so that's 180. To get our final answer for 18 lots of 16, we add it all together. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 0 plus 8 is 8 again, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's 288. But if 18 times 16 is 288, we need to make the 16 10 times smaller to make it 1.6. So if you make the 16 10 times smaller to make 1.6, you make your answer 10 times smaller. And 10 times smaller than 288 would be move the decimal point in one space to get 28.8. So we're actually dealing with a tower that is 28.8 millimeters tall. Now there's still actually one more step to go, because the final question does say what is the height of the coins in centimeters. Well, this height here is in millimeters. Now we should know that 1 centimeter is worth 10 millimeters. And we've got 28 millimeters, so we need to figure out how many 10s go into that 28.8 millimeters. So we're actually dividing by 10. So it's 28.8 divided by this 10, and our answer will be how many centimeters? Well, to do 28.8 divided by 10, you basically need to move all the digits one place backwards to make the place value of each digit 10 times smaller. So the 2 will go into this column, and the 8 will go into this column, and the other 8 will go next to it. And that's our answer in centimetres. So 28.8 millimetres divided by 10 will turn it into centimetres, and our final answer is 2.88 centimetres.